Yo, what up? It's Bobby at the Nfpa 2023 convention. I'm here at the Hose Monster booth with Patrick. He's going to tell us about the little hose monsters and the Bluetooth Smart Monster. Take it away.
Yeah. So we have our pedalless nozzle technology. So that takes an internal nozzle pressure off the side port, so there's no inline pedo tube to get damaged while you're doing your flow rates. It creates that laminar flow, so you get a nice steady flow. So a nice pedo reading. It goes into our little hose monster to divert the water evenly to each side. So we can measure accurately with our 1 3/4 nozzles at the low end at 250 gallons a minute, all the way up to the high end to about 900 gallons a minute with our 1 3/4. We also have our different nozzle sizes. You can measure different flow rates depending on how much water you're looking to measure.
It's awesome. What's the weight on those?
Combined, it's about 3 pounds for the pedalless nozzle, about 2.5 pounds for the little hose monster, so combined a little bit less than 6 pounds. So you can stack them up to 3 high. So a stack of 3 with your stabilizer bar, you're looking at just a little bit under 20 pounds.
So much lighter.
Yeah, absolutely.
So much lighter.
Yeah, anytime you can save you a little back work,
yeah,
definitely helps.
I didn't know they couldn't go 4 high. You actually told me that on Instagram. So how about these? Those are really...
Yeah, so these are our new Bluetooth gauges, our smart monitors. So it's going to replace your analog gauge. It's going to work with any of your iOS or Android devices. You open up your app, it's automatically going to connect to any Bluetooth within Bluetooth range. So you can get live flow rates on your phone. You can set it up depending on which hose monster product you're using, either with our steel 2.5-inch hose monsters or the pedalless nozzles. You set up your flow device, it's going to show you those live flow rates.
That is out of this world, right on the phone. I like that.
Yep. And it's when you have multiple lines running, it's going to add up all your combined lines. You're going to see your total flow rate between all your lines combined as well too.
It's doing the work for you.
Yeah, absolutely.
And the cute ones with the antenna?
Yeah, so like I said, it works for Bluetooth. So it works about 30 feet, 40 feet, depending on the user's cell phone. But now to get outside of that, we have our range extender. So the range extender, you need a minimum of 2. You would set one up though, it picks up that Bluetooth signal. It's going to convert it to 900 megahertz radio. And now I can go up to 1,000 feet away line of sight with another range extender. Pick up that
1,000
signal.
feet?
Up to 1,000 feet for line of sight.
Wow.
So now it's going to change per environment. You might have some areas that have some electrical interference. But now you can also piggyback. So you can use multiple range extenders to drop like a breadcrumbs to get you to that signal.
So innovative. That is great. Yeah, we use these. Like I said, I got the big ones. I got the small ones. I'm a big fan of Hose Monster. I appreciate your time.
It's great to hear.
Thanks for the talk.
Enjoy the show.
A lot of big projects.